This tutorial walks you through installing and using GParted on Zorin OS 18 Pro. GParted is one of the most reliable tools for understanding and managing your disk partitions, so by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to install it and how to read your system's partition layout with confidence. Start by opening the terminal. Before installing anything, refresh your system's package list. Run the update command and let Zorin fetch the latest package information. Once that completes, run the upgrade command as well. Keeping the system updated ensures smoother installations and avoids small conflicts that can pop up later. When the system is fully updated, install GParted using the standard package command. It installs straight from the official Zorin repositories, so the process is quick. After installation finishes, launch GParted. It will ask for your password because it needs administrative access to read and modify partitions. Enter your password and the application will load the main interface. Once GParted opens, take a moment to look at the version displayed in the interface. Knowing the version helps if you ever compare features or follow other guides. Now, focus on the disk layout shown on your screen. The default disk in Zorin OS usually contains three important partitions. The first is the ESP or EFI System Partition. This is a small FAT32 partition that the system uses to boot. It acts like a tiny launchpad that directs your system toward the operating system. Next, look for the root partition. This is where Zorin OS itself lives. System files, user files, applications, everything. It's the core of the OS. Understanding which partition is the root partition is important because resizing or modifying it should always be done carefully. After getting familiar with these three key sections, ESP, root, and swap, you will have a clear understanding of how your disk is structured. With GParted installed and the layout explained, you are now equipped to explore your partitions safely and confidently. This brings the tutorial to a close, giving you everything you need to begin managing your storage like a pro.